Hey all, welcome to Each Dance. Today's topic is barrel jump. You might have seen barrel jump in Garba or in certain other folk dance forms. I'm going to show you similar barrel jump but a slight contemporary twist to it. Alright, so let's get on with it. Step 1 is the footwork. So, I'm going to stand slightly to this side so you can see the movement traveling. I'm facing the front and this is my left side. I'm going to step my right leg over. Alright, this is your preparation. Alright, so you step, you're going to sort of go into that leg and you're going to swing the left leg. Yeah, that is step 1. Understanding the preparation. Here and over. Alright, now the second step is to jump and you swing the left leg. So you jump and you swing the left leg. Yeah, making sure that the jump and the kick are tied. Alright, one more time. Stepping and turning. Yeah. Now, what I'm going to do is follow it up with my right leg as well. So you go there, kick. Yeah. So I'm going to kick with your left leg and then follow it up with the right leg. Don't kick your knees. Don't kick your legs in front of you, as in you want to kick like that. That's a different kind of jump. You want to make sure that your legs are extended. Alright. Now. Next thing is making sure that you are delaying the second leg, which is the right leg in this case. So I step, I'm not going to kick immediately. I'm going to let the left leg pass the center line a little bit, and then the right leg comes through. Alright? So I go step 1, 2. Alright? Now, to give more power to it, we do 2 things. One is using the arms to go back. Like that, and the other thing is going deep into a play. So I'm going to go there, so I find a good preparation and then I take off with my hand. Additionally, what you do as you're understanding the move better is leaning back and then putting your arms up. Alright, so I'm going to show you how it looks like in a flow. I'm going to show you the little lean back. Okay, I'm just going to face front so you can see the lean back. Alright, so making sure that your arms are behind the line of your shoulders and you're reaching back, your legs are out in front of you. Alright, there are a few variations to this where we go into the floor. Maybe we'll have a part 2 to the barrel jump, but for now, practice getting the preparation correctly and the kicks and then following up with the arms and the balance. Right? It's very important that you prepare really well. The footwork has to be precise for this. Right? You can also try and bend your knees, but not at the front, behind. So your knees are not in the front of your body, to the posterior. Right? You could try the knees as well, or you can keep the legs extended. Right? So that is a barrel jump. Make sure you go through all the steps slowly, understand the footwork and then understand the flight as well. Alright? Awesome. Keep practicing.